So what are the essential components of that? For each of you out there today, you decide what can you offer a new prospect today that solves a real problem in the organization that's very narrow in scope, that's low cost and low risk, establishes the value of your offering, builds credibility, and provides a logical starting point for doing more with you in the future. So real problem, narrow in scope, short on time, low on cost, no risk, establishes some of the value and builds credibility you and your organization. These are the check marks, the acid test of a getting started offering. And it turns out your best opportunities in enterprise sales are when you can offer something at a low entry point, but it has a very significant revenue growth potential inside that organization. Right? In sales, we call this land and expand. Don't attempt to expand first before you land. Focus on your landing. So here's a big difference. You can either, your customer can either do nothing or they can do something, and they're going to do nothing if the weight of what you're trying to sell them and the price of what they're trying to sell them is too heavy. So my recommendation, if you want the customer to do something, keep it lightweight, keep it inexpensive. And it turns out people will adopt that much more readily. And once you establish the value of that and you meet that criteria, that creates the opportunity to do something more. That will lead to the enterprise adoption. So start small. Don't try to sell an enterprise solution out of the gate.